Welcome back to Claydesk.ai. In this demo, I'm going to show you how the AI-powered product bundle generator works. It's an awesome tool, and right here you can see that we can first upload our own data. So that's how it's structured, that's how it's made. And what's going to happen is just upload your products, whether you have 10 products, 20, or whatever, however many, just upload a CSV file. And we have designed it so that you can just enter in the CSV file. You should have the order ID, product sold, product 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on, and then the name, and of course the prices, right? And what this tool is going to do is going to automatically analyze all your products and then create bundles for you so you can actually take a look at, and then finally decide which bundles you want to offer, whether you're doing it in Shopify, Amazon, whatever you are, okay? So let's dive right in and take a look at how this actually works. So again, two things you can do. First, option one is upload your own purchase history CSV file. If you do not have a file, you can actually enter products manually as well. So I'm going to show you both. First, the fast track. So let's click on select file, and I already have a file. It's called the order products, and I'm just going to open it. So what this is doing is actually just processed 35 unique product types that it found in the CSV. We click OK, and you'll notice that all the products that it found are actually displayed right here, right? So all the 35 products. Since it's my own CSV I generated for demo purposes, it has a product name or product ID and the price and the cost, okay? So three things that you need right here. If you were to manually do it, you should have the product name, you should have the price, and you should have the cost, okay? All right, so now that all the products are generated, all I need to do is simply select either to maximize the profit, maximize conversions, clear old inventory, and bundle popular items. So what AI is going to do is analyze all these products that you have, and then of course it's going to create these bundles for you based on the strategy, okay? Now, and by the way, this is not a simulation, this is the actual tool that is going to create the bundles for you. So let's go ahead and select for maximum conversions. So I'm going to go ahead and click on generate smart bundles, and what AI is doing is actually taking a look at all the products that you have, and it's creating a strategy for you, essentially giving you the bundles, or is about to give you the bundles that will maximize the conversions for you. And boom, there it is. So what this did was actually create a power pack for you. So product 26, product 7, and product 49. So it bundled that product for you. Because we wanted to maximize conversions, it basically evaluated all the products and said, hey, you got these three products, bundle them together with these prices, and then you save about 20%, and then the estimate profit margins that you get is 67% if you were to bundle these three products, which means product 26, product 7, and 49. All right, so here's 26, here's 7, and then there's 49 also, okay? All right, so these are the three products. Here's the product 49, by the way. So once it bundles it, you can simply take this bundle, and then of course you can save or export as CSV. And what this is going to do is just going to take all these bundles and export them in CSV. So you can, upload to Amazon, Shopify, wherever you are, wherever e-commerce site you're running, you can export those products there as well, or you can manually enter. It's up to you. The other bundle it created, well, the first one was the power pack. The other one was the essential bundle, which of course the estimated profit margins are 42.7%. And then of course it also created the value combo for these four products, product 48, product 13, 10, and 3. And then the bundle price is $247.42. And then of course the estimated profit margin is about 69.7%. So it's a very powerful tool that we've developed. So have a look at it. If I were to maximize profit, right? So let's say my bundle strategy is that I want to maximize profit. I'm just going to go ahead and select this and click on generate again. And now what AI is doing is taking a look at and evaluating all these products. Now, for demo purposes, I only have 35 products, right? Okay, and that's what I have. But in all practicality, you should have more. So boom, you got the confetti, and now we have 3 different bundles for our strategy for maximizing profit. So here we have the high flyers bundle, and then that's about 77.9 is the estimated profit margin, and products 26, 49, 44, and so on. So you can have the value pack, you can have the frequent sellers bundle, and this is very, very powerful. So try it out, see how it works, and of course you can export as CSV. Let me go ahead and demonstrate that as well, and it will just save that for you, okay? And just open it up, and it will have all this data of all the bundles that you have. Now, what if I were to do it manually, right? So let's go ahead and reset all the data and start over. Perfect. So now we have to restart. So here I can just give a product name. So I'm going to go ahead and let's say I'm selling t-shirts. So I'm going to say t-shirt. That's my product name. And the selling price is $99.99, and it only costs me, say, $79.99. Okay, I'm going to add the product, and it adds the product right here. The next product I have is the hoodie, for example, and this one is $129, and it costs me $89.99. I'm going to go ahead and add this product as well. And then let's say I'm also selling belts, right? So I'm just making these products up, guys, right? Okay. And then of course it costs $22.99, and you can just create your own figures as well. So how about socks? Hey, that's more like it. So $12.99, and that's only $5.99. Add product, and so on. So you'll notice how it automatically adds the products for you. So once you have these 4 products, let's say we want to maximize our profit. So let's go ahead and generate smart bundles based on our strategy for maximizing profits based on these only about 4 products, right, that we've added. Now, of course, you can add more products that you have, but here I'm only going to demonstrate these. Perfect. So it creates 3 strategies, 3 bundles. It says casual comfort pack, which has a t-shirt and socks, and this is a 10% profit margin. Then you have the street style pack, by the way, hoodie and belt. That profit margin is about 30%. And then of course you have the full outfit pack, which is all 4, and you got the 23.4. So you see the outcome and the results, and of course I can export the bundles as a CSV file. Okay. All right, I hope this helps. Take a look at this, and we have, of course, other calculators as well, but this is a very powerful calculator. It's the new calculator that we just came up with, and the goal for our mission is to give you the tools so that you can save time and money and increase your sales. Okay. All right, so if you want other tools, just go ahead and search for other tools in e-commerce or any other category, whether it's finance and construction, business, health, you name it, right? So we have all these different tools that you can actually take a look at as well. All right, so I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any questions, comment down below with this. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.